Thursday, December 7th, and it is Pearl Harbor Day. Something definitely to be remembered. I wonder if there are any survivors. There might be one or two, right, from that terrible surprise attack. Anyway, hopefully learned from that history. Thinking of them and their families and their sacrifice. God bless them. I got in a refill, just a reorder, and you need to know about these again. They're so cute with a couple new characters. So the Friendsheep dryer balls. What? So cute. Dryer balls are amazing. You never have to buy another box of dryer sheets and fill up your trash can and put it in the landfill. You too can put 2 or 3 dryer balls in your dryer. If you want some scent, you put a little essential oil on it, and they toss and help absorb the water and fluff your dryer. They are amazing. I love them. They make a magnificent gift. So we have lots of characters. We've had the pig, we have the ladybug, which I love. This is the koala. This is the bumblebee. So cute, honestly. This is the penguin, and this one's new, the googly eyes. Pretty funny, pretty cute. Love them. We also have, these are all mix and match. So we have a bucket of colors. So it's fun to put together 3 different ones, 1 character maybe, and 2 colors, or vice versa, whatever you want to do. We have priced them separately, so you can get 1 for $7.50, 3 for $20, that's a deal, obviously, and 6 for $36. Makes a great gift. Put it in a little bag for you and tie it up, and it'll be such a fun house gift. You need to take something to somebody's house for a party. Very fun. Love, love, love them. All right, I'm going to remind you about a few things. This is the Christmas on Connecticut cowl kit. Love it. 5 gorgeous hand-dyed colors by Sheep to Stitch. Is that right? Yeah, I think so. Let me make sure. Christmas on anyway, yeah, Sheep to Stitch. I was right. And this is Chrissy's pattern, which is awesome. Remember, it's Southern Pines Remembrances. So this is the railroad track. I said I thought this was camellias, and no, they're golf balls, right? All those little baubles are golf balls. This is the horseshoes for horse country. This is the pine trees. Loaded with pines around here. We are the longleaf area. And this little V is a reminder of our fox hunt. So we've got the golf ball, golf ball, golf ball, golf ball. Little trim for the colors of the azaleas. I think it's adorable. So that's that. It's $68, all kitted up and ready to give as a gift. And then, of course, I'm telling you, don't miss this. Today is the 7th. You still have days to spend your $20 bounce back in December here. So if you buy this before December ends, you buy the kit. It's $100 for this adorable bag. Thank you very much. Christmas on Connecticut. It's embroidered on the back with Bella Filati. Lovely gift, but you get absolutely $80 back. If I could separate them all, $80 back for bounce back purchases, $20 each to use in December, January, February, and March. You spend $40, you get half off at least. So a minimum of $40. So there you go. And you get these cute little stitch stoppers and stickers. You can't miss it. You can't lose, man. I'm giving you a lot back for a little investment and an adorable one-of-a-kind bag. So you need to have one because it's so cute. And our Chrissy designed it. And AI made it happen. What? We're so on the cutting edge of technology. Yeah, right. Chrissy might be, not me. All right. I think that's all I got for you. I will see you tomorrow.